How to fix EXE file not opening on Windows. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Registry Editor on your device and make sure you're in this location, which is Computer, EXE, Classes, Root, and then .exe. Here on the right side, you'll find Default. Double click on Default and make sure value data is EXE file. After you've done that, press on OK. Now, at the top, make sure you add EXE, then File. Press on Enter, and then click on Shell, expand Shell, then you'll find Open, click on Open, and then click on Command. You can also type in the words at the top and it will lead you here. After you've done that here, click on Default, double click on it, and make sure value data is %1% as shown on the screen, and then press on OK. After you do that, you can simply restart your device and your problem will be fixed. This is how to fix EXE file not opening on Windows. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.